Hello and welcome. This will be a short overview of the part 2 of the new Cisco CCNP ENCOR course. We'll start with a synopsis. The course is divided in 4 sections. We begin with a recap what was covered in part 1. We'll shortly go through all of the material and terms covered there. Then we'll move to network assurance, and specifically we'll be covering various monitoring solutions and ways to make sure that the network is behaving as expected. And also in situations when it's not behaving as expected, you know how to troubleshoot. Then we'll move to section 3, which covers security, and we'll go through a plethora of topics. We'll speak about implementing security from like lowest level, from device access, and then we'll move up into the network layers. We'll discuss about specific technologies like wireless security, REST API security. And in the end, we'll cover network architecture, security network architecture, implementing security by design. And we'll finish the course with section 4, which covers automation. And we'll be discussing about various automation solutions, orchestration solutions. I'll teach you some basics of Python, but also we'll discuss about Ansible, Puppet, Chef, SoulStack. It's gonna be interesting. There are some prerequisites for this course. Specifically, if you want to pass the exam, you have to go through part 1 as well. And here is the link. Part 1, it's on the same platform. But if the exam is not aimed, you are checking this not because of the exam, but because you want to improve, then the sections are, let's say, self-sustaining. So you can go through them without, let's say, studying any other course. Some additional information, and it's more like a recommendation from me. First of all, practice as much as possible. The course doesn't include labs, but I still encourage you to build some labs and try to apply the configurations I'm showing, play a bit with the scenarios. This is the best way to learn. Also, spaced repetition is your friend. And if you don't know what it is, check part 1 of the course. I'm covering this more in details. It allows to remember boring material, let's say, much more effective. And also, don't stop here. Quote Alice in the Wonderland, you have to run very fast to stay in the same, to remain in the same place. The networking industry evolves really fast, so only by constant improvement you be able to have a place in there and ensure that you are highly unprofessional. So without further ado, I'm waiting to meet you in the specific course videos. See you there.